Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Hey guys, Matt here with Matt in the Morning, and today we're doing meatless chili. That's right, chili again. This one just doesn't have any meat. So I already have everything prepped. I'm going to tell you what it is as I'm putting it in the crock pot. As you can see down below, I already have the crock pot liner. I try to use this every time. It just helps with the cleanup. I already have 2 cups of vegetable broth in here. We'll get to that in a moment, of course. Anyways, here we go. And real quick, I just want to say, don't worry about trying to keep track and write down what the ingredients are as I'm tossing this in. All you have to do is go down to the description. I'm going to have the full list of ingredients and the how-to. The how-to is just throw it all in the crock pot. Anyways, it'll be down there. So here we go. First up, we have 4 cups of vegetable broth. Already had 2 in, just want to make it simple there. Next up is 1 yellow onion diced and 2 cloves of garlic, diced, minced up. There we go. Use sweet onion, regular onion, it's your personal choice. We're just using a yellow onion. I don't have the can out, I was going to show you, but I've been using the pre-minced garlic already. It's just garlic pre-minced in a jar. Scoop it out, done. I like to use that. Next up, 1 can of petite diced tomatoes with juice. Okay, there we go. Done. Next is 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Scoop all that out, drop it in. Just like so. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So next up is black beans and kidney beans. 1 can of each, drained. I also rinse them. I put them in a strainer and rinse them out just to get all the solution off of it. That can add an extra salt flavor. It can add extra salt because of that solution. So if you want to control your salt intake, it's just best to rinse it off. So there you go, fun fact. Next is 1 cup of brown lentils. Again, this is meatless chili with lentils. I'm new to using lentils. We made one the other day, or Stephanie did, I should say. And it wasn't one in a crock pot. It was just on the stove, but it had lentils in it. We were like, all right, let's try this out. And it was really good. So we're doing a crock pot one, obviously, today. I like using the crock pot. Now, this is a mix of a few things. 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, ½ teaspoon onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon garlic. Next up is ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Of course, it's all to taste, you know. If there's something in here you want a little more of or a little less of, do it. It's chili, you can't screw it up. I don't think. Maybe? I don't think you can. There we go. Broth. Bing, bang, boom. Also, 1 Adobe, 1 Chipotle pepper in Adobe sauce. That's what this is. Just 1. We're just dropping 1 in. Again, if you want a big kick of Chipotle, do 2, do 3. But 1 will go a long ways. So if you're new to using Chipotle, a Chipotle pepper, don't get crazy thinking just 1, that's weird. I'm gonna do the whole can. You'll overdo it. This is about 3 shakes of a Worcestershire sauce. About 3 shakes. That's it. I'm gonna stir this up here. We're gonna crank this thing on to high for 4 hours. Typically I like to do low for 8, 6 to 8, whatever. Time crunch today, it's already 12:25. So I wanna have this for dinner. Now what you could do is add a can of diced jalapenos or dice up a fresh one and throw it in. We actually have some jalapenos we're gonna slice up and have on top once it's all done. So we're not getting crazy and putting that in there. We get this all stirred up here. So let's say you're somebody who just doesn't eat meat and you want to add a meat component. There's all sorts of different options of meatless meat. There's Beyond, there's, I don't know all the different styles, but there's a lot of plant-based ground beef, baked ground beef. Anyways, there's options for you if you do want to have that meat in there, but not meat. Anyways, there you go. It's chili. Add, subtract, do whatever you want. I'm gonna get this thing cranked up. We'll be back in like 4.5 hours. See you soon. Okay, me and Adeline Bell are back. She wasn't here in the first time, but she's back now. Adeline Bell, can you look at the people watching? Say hi. Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
It's very polite of you. So it's been 4 hours on high. I like to run it 8 on low, but time crunch. As you can see below, I did already stir it and plated one, but so you can see below, this came out pretty good. I was a little concerned that it wasn't going to be, where you going? I thought it was going to be a little more liquidy, but the lentils really soak up that vegetable broth, so this is going to be really good, guaranteed. So there you have it, and let me just slide this out the way. And as you can see down on the GoPro, boom, plated. I did not plate it, Stephanie did. Got a little bit of cilantro, sour cream, and some jalapenos. Now I did add this right after I got this thing started. We were off the air here. I did add this. Beyond Meat, Beyond Beef crumbles. Listen, I know a few people who don't eat beef, and so that's why I wanted to make a meatless chili. I wasn't going to put this stuff in here, but I thought, what the heck, let's try it out. This comes out really good. So if you don't eat beef, my buddy Navi, he does not. So this would be right down his alley. Or, you know, if you don't like it, just don't put it in. Just do the lentils and the beans like I showed you. This is a really good dish. I think you're going to love it. How can you go wrong with chili? Chili's delicious. Adeline Bell, you're up now. We'd just like to say goodbye. You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Can you want to come up so they can see you? Yeah. Would you like to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Tell them eat chili.
It's chili.
Tell them subscribe
Goodbye.
to Matt in the Morning.
Good morning.
You got it. Do it. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. All right, real quick, I did want to add here that after trying the chili, it's amazing. However, I had to add some salt and pepper. Had to kick it up a notch. I'm not going to change the recipe in it though, because the way it came out, I know a lot of people who would like it just like it is. Always good practice to taste as you go. We did not do that. I had a time crunch, was in a hurry, didn't do it. Another thing I want to add is I liked how the lentils came out. Stephanie said, oh, I would like them done a little bit more. They were al dente, a little bit past al dente. Who knows what would have happened if I ran it on low for 8 hours. That's what I usually like to do. So just want to be sure to throw it out there that to taste as you go. You may need some extra seasoning. And if you like your lentils extra well done, not al dente, you're going to want to go more than 4 hours. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Here comes a golf cart. I'm at the campground, folks. I'm at the campground. Got my golf cart behind me. Got them 12s, blue lights. Anyways, hope you like this video. Please subscribe, comment, share. See ya.